Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix the transfer fail error in Cash App. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi is working fine. If you're getting a weak signal, then this error might occur. If your Wi-Fi is good, then open the Cash App and then tap on your profile at the top right corner to check your limit. Now scroll a bit down, then tap on limits. Check if you have exceeded the limit. If you have exceeded the limit, then again this error might occur. To fix this error, you'll have to wait for some time to recover the limit. Once the limit is removed, you can again transfer money. Now, the last option that you can try is clearing your cache memory. To do so, you'll have to go to your settings application. Once you're on the app, scroll a bit down, then tap on this option general. Now, from this list, tap on iPhone storage. Now, from this app list, you'll have to search Cash App. Once you find it, tap on the application and then tap on Offload App button. Once you do so, again tap on this button and then your cache memory will be cleared. Once you do so, again open the app and try transferring money and your problem will be fixed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.